Hello, welcome back again, lovely viewers. We have started discussing data quality standards, and we have already seen data quality standard validity and reliability. So we'll continue with the next one, which is precision. So we'll discuss about precision today. So what is exactly precision? From let's start from its definition. Precision is the level of detail and accuracy within a data point. So it is a level of detail and accuracy to make important decisions. So these are we have 5 questions again as usual to evaluate precision, and let's start with the questions. So the first one is, does the data collection tool allow for data to be disaggregated by characteristics specified in the indicator definition or relevant for this indicator? Remember, the indicator is the first indicator, the number of area planted. So does the data collection tool allow for data to be disaggregated by characteristics? For this indicator, number of areas planted, probably this can be by a number of disaggregated by a number of factors. For example, uh, we can say yes completely. For example, we may say the area is uh, I mean the number of area planted can be disaggregated by a number of factors. For example, by female headed household X amount, okay, and male headed household Y amount of area. Maybe we have such disaggregation or other disaggregation, probably by other factors. For example, uh, types of uh, planted trees, things like that. So if you have such data, you can say yes completely. Otherwise, we can select other factors. So the second question is, did the staff record all relevant field to be filled as per the tool? Check even if one element in the cell is not filled. So if in the data collection tool one field is not filled or some of the field are not filled, we can say partly. For example, we may write comment here, the missing part. For example, missing part can be written there. The next one is the data collection to properly filled as per the data disaggregation requirement. Uh, okay, we may say if the all disaggregation requirements are filled, we can say yes completely. Otherwise, we can say partly. The fourth question is, does the staff think or believe the tool allow to capture sufficient precision to measure indicators? The indicator. Again, we are discussing the same indicator. Does the staff think or believe the tool allow all the required precision measures in a sufficient level? If the team believes that, we can say yes completely. Otherwise, can select not at all, or for example, the team may actually suggest that this part are actually needed, but it's not actually, we are not tracking that. So such thing can be actually recorded here. Maybe not at all, but it could be partly. So the next one is disaggregation documented in the tool used for overall report, narrative report, or summary aggregate report. So we have disaggregation, like for example by type of planted trees or uh, the type of household, male headed or female headed. So is disaggregation documented in the tools used for overall reports? So do we have such a disaggregation in the overall report? If such thing is already there, both in the narrative report or summary table, if there is summary table, yes, we can say yes completely. And if we don't have that one in the summary table on the report, those disaggregation were not reflected in the report, we can say partly, otherwise we can say completely. So let's look again for precision in the final report. Precision is right stands here. So so that is it, and thank you very much, and we'll again meet on the other standard next time.